This strategy is called adding by part. When you're adding by part, what you do is you leave one of the numbers in your problem just the way it is. The other number you take apart in small parts and add it in bit by bit. For this problem, since 45 is my bigger number, I like to start there. You don't have to. You could start with 39, but I'm going to start with 45. Now I'm going to add 39 to this number, but I'm going to do it bit by bit. There are 3 tens here, so the first thing I'm going to add on is a 10. 45 plus 10 more gives me 55. Now I'm going to take that answer and add on another of the tens. 55 plus 10 more gives me 65. I have one more 10 to do, so I'll do 65 plus 10, and that will give me 75. Now I have to add in the 9 ones. I could add them all at once, or I could even break that apart. I think I'll break it apart. 75 plus 5 more of these ones will give me 80. There are 4 ones remaining. 80 plus 4 more equals 84. Final answer is 84. Now there are other ways to break those numbers up, and really any break is fine. What we don't want kids to do is break it into some number that is difficult to add. So if I was going to start with my 45, I wouldn't want to take from 39 and do something like 17. That's not any easier for the kids to add in their heads or to manipulate in their heads. We want to break into numbers that make sense, numbers that are easy to kind of add on in your head. We could do this one another way. We could start with 39. 45 can be broken up lots of ways. I could see this and say, well, I know 4 tens is here. I could do 2 of those tens. 39 plus 20 more would give you 59. Now I can do the other 2 tens. 59 plus 2 more tens equals 79. So I got those 5 ones to go. 79 plus 5 more ones equals 84. Any way you break it is fine, as long as you are keeping track that everything you add in equals the number you're breaking apart. Here 20 plus 20 plus 5 is 45. This one is a little trickier if you're not good at breaking these numbers apart. Let's have you try one on your own. Practice on this problem. 63 plus 38. Try that one on your own and come back and see how I solved it. Alright, here's how it goes. 63. I know that this is 3 tens, so I'm going to add in 10. That equals 73. Now I'll take 73 plus 10 more equals 83. 83 plus 10 more equals 93. Now I've got to add in those 8 ones. I could go 93 plus 7 of them, because I know 3 and 7 makes another 10. That gives me 100. There's one more I have to add in. 100 plus 1 equals 101. If you didn't break it exactly like this, but you ended up with a sum of 101, your answer is correct. Nicely done. That is adding by part.